Today I've got the MacDon 2260 and we're going to be showing you how to do the install for the Agra-GPS MacDon John Deere bridge. This is the Agra-GPS MacDon John Deere bridge kit and a John Deere display. This right here is a 4640, but any John Deere display would work. You're going to need a Starfire receiver. This is a 7000, but any model would work. We've got a couple parts going on here. This is the roof mount. These two go together. And then you've got a mount for the bridge itself, a step-by-step guide. You can find that on the website, Agra-GPS.com. And you can download this, have it on your phone, or like I did, print it out so you can look at it for ease of use. So just removing this piece, and then this is in your kit, and that one will go in there. An important note is this red button here. This needs to be in when you're on the road and driving, and it needs to be out when you're on the field and wanting to use auto steer. We're at the front of the MacDon here, and right underneath the left side, if you're in the cab, we've already taken one of the plugs out, and we're going to do the same for the other side here. You just have to loosen this screw. And then it just pops off right like that. So that was the P342 and the P341 are both out. We've got the P345 as well as the P344. Both of those also remove. So this is our bridge, and again this is the mount for the bridge, and this all is going to come to the front right side. Just underneath here is 4 holes for where the screws will be installed there. So that is right here. Just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to install the bridge onto this plate first, and then the plate underneath the MacDon here. Again, this is going onto here. In your kit you will have 2 screws, so we're going to take that out of the bag. Already got a 7/16 here to fasten those onto the plate. We've got the bridge installed under here, and now we have a couple cables poking out. So these ones are solenoids. This one is the wheel angle sensor. This one will be going under the door here. This is your transducer, and this is another solenoid here. So before we had already removed these 4, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and they are the same color here, the front ones. So we have the gray and the black, which again is here, these 2. So we're going to be installing those ones where these ones used to be. Don't forget to tighten the screws at the front. We have all 4 installed in here. This will be zip tied up to make sure it's not in the way. So this one again is going under the door, so we're going to be putting it down through this way, and this one will follow the same route. This is P348, your wheel angle sensor. We've already unplugged it. It was right here, so there's a latch at the bottom. Just open that latch and pull it out. And then we're going to be putting in the one from our kit, and that one will be installing right here. We're at the side of the machine now, so we're going to open up this latch. Alright, now we have this open here, the C14C. We're going to unplug that one and then plug ours into there. So unplug these gray ones here. Make sure you press both sides here to release the latch. It may be bolted to the top here, but the connection, the install here is the same. So now that we've got this one off, we're going to put ours in here. Make sure, again, you're lining up that hole here with this blip on this plug, and just push it in until it clicks. So that is it for under here, so we can close. Right, so we loosened the nuts in the front here so that we can slide this plate out. And then we can install this mount. Same concept, you just slide it in and tighten these. So we've got our Starfire receiver here, and we're just gonna notch the back and click it in. So you got your adapter. You're gonna wanna plug in the smaller side here, the one obviously that fits, into the plug that's sitting right here. You can do like me, or get a tall ladder to do this.